Today we'll talk about how can you select post notifications on your Slack app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above your photo profile, click on it here. So when you just click on it, it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on push notifications here. When you just click here on push notifications, it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this, and here you select time for post notifications here. So when you're done, you just go here above save, click on it, then it's going to save with you. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.